Welcome to my bathroom. No, hold on just a minute. No, it's not that type of video. This is for my fellow biker chicks out there. Girls, this is for you. Guys, this is not. So you can keep on scrolling, swiping. If you know a fellow biker chick that does ride like I do and is concerned about their face and what's happening to them as they're riding the motorcycle, then this video is definitely for them. I am gonna talk to you about a product, and it is Rodan and Fields, and it's called Lashed. I'm only doing this product, trying it out, because I have 3 friends that have been using this product now for a long time, and I witnessed it working for them, all 3 of them, and I thought, okay, if it works for them, I'm going to try it for myself. I just wasn't getting it because it costs $155, which is a lot for me to spend on myself. But my daughter, I told her about it and told her, this would be a great Christmas gift, and she said, I gotcha, I will do this. So not Christmas yet. Bless her heart, she said, Mom, you can go ahead and try it. So it's December 1st, and we're gonna go ahead and try this product and see what happens. But again, it's Rodan and Fields, and it's a boosh lash, and it's gonna hopefully make my eyelashes be more prominent, fuller, and we'll look at them now, get up close so you guys can see what they look like right now. I do wear makeup, I do wear mascara, so that always helps, but this is just something to, make them even fuller. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna read the directions and follow the steps that they say to. And if you know of anybody that is interested in this, just wanting to know, hey, is it working for you, or they want to try it too, just let them reach out, because I'm here to support. So just have them put them in the comments, and I will reach out to them and connect with them. So thank you guys. Oh, I have a couple other products too for my face, because this year I rode over 24,000 miles on my bike, and I have sunspots, and you guys know I still am like trying to recover from being sunburned on my nose because I wear my sunglasses, but just trying to keep my face from getting all wrinkly and getting rid of just the lines and everything. So that's gonna be another video to go over. I just need like money. Sonny, I'm sorry. But I'm taking care of me, and that's what I'm gonna do. So here we go. Let's see what happens.